I want to show you about an amazing new app called Voice Dream. So a lot of times there's books that are not available in audio. You can simply select, copy, and paste the book you want and put it right into Voice Dream. So here's an example. I'm writing a new book. I've got Google Docs open. I select all, copy. Now I'm just going to paste it into Voice Dream and it's going to read it. So simple. Open Voice Dream, click on it, go to the plus symbol at the top. It's in my clipboard. Select, and there's the book, just like that. Now I open the book and I can select the voice and the speed I want it to read at in the settings. It's very, very simple to do, and then I'm good to go. Then all I do is touch the book, push the play button, and it starts to read it. Now the other cool thing about this is you can scroll through to any point in the book with the scroller on the bottom, or you could actually just touch the text anywhere and it begins to read right where you touch. So it's very intuitive, very fast, very easy. It's an amazing app, and I think it's really going to be a game changer for everyone.